Hey guys, so for today's video, we talk about pattern in nature and will show you some example of pattern in my surrounding. And I'm Jericho Jones, sa BSBA FM1. So guys, I give you 3 examples of pattern in nature. Number 1 is symmetry, number 2 is spiral, and number 3 cracks. First is symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is a transformation, helps explain or classify the preservation of a natural pattern. So, I give you some examples of symmetry. Number 2, spiral. What is spiral? Spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on the center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. So this is some examples of spiral. And number 3, cracks. What is cracks? Cracks are the linear opening that form in materials to relieve stress. So this is the example of cracks.